In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to should I print checks from QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a check in QuickBooks Online and print it cleanly on your check stock. I'll keep it clear and practical so you can follow along easily. First, we'll create the check inside QuickBooks Online. From the main dashboard, look for the plus icon labeled plus new. This is where you start most transactions. Select check from the options that appear. Before you enter any amounts, make sure you choose the correct bank account at the top. This determines which account the money will come from, and it helps your records stay accurate. Now fill in the details of the payment. Enter the payee, which is the person or business you're paying. Add the date for when the check should be recorded. In the category or item details area, choose the appropriate expense category or item so your accounting stays organized. This is important for accurate reporting later. Finally, enter the amount to be paid. Take a moment to review what you've entered for clarity and completeness, especially the payee's name and the amount, since those appear on the printed check. When everything looks good, click Save and Print. This both stores the check in your books and gets it ready for printing. If your browser opens a preview, that's normal. It's simply preparing the check layout. Next, let's print. Click Print Check to open the print window. Before you press anything else, load your pre-printed check stock into the printer according to your printer's tray guidelines. Make sure the orientation matches your check stock format so the payee name, date, and amount align correctly. It helps to confirm your printer is set to the correct paper size and that scaling is set to 100%, so nothing shifts. When you're confident everything is set, click Print. Your check will print with the information you just entered. After printing, take a quick look at the check to confirm the payee, date, and amount align as expected on the check stock. Keeping your check stock stored flat and away from moisture will help prevent paper jams and alignment issues in the future. And that's it. You created the check, reviewed the key details, and printed it directly from QuickBooks Online using your check stock. Follow these same steps each time you need to issue a payment, and you'll keep your records accurate while producing professional checks with ease.